Day 33 of 100. Let's make it happen. Keep showing yourself up every day. Trust the process. Have faith. Make the sacrifices. Take a risk. Learn your core values. Are you honest with yourself? Are you confident? Do you have courage, integrity, respect for yourself? Lock in and balance the time you spend and the time you circulate. You might spend 2 hours watching a movie, but circulate 2 hours of time learning and evolving yourself. Discipline over distractions. Don't let them continue to program you with this bullshit. Sober your mind and find your purpose. None of us know how much time we have. Control your reality. Discipline over destruction. Grow by any means. Back at it tomorrow. Peace.